To generate your quote for the first time, we're going to click on Create New Job. There are a few fields that we want to populate with our job information, such as the name, a reference code which could be related to an invoice or a specific client, a contact number, and if you'd like, you can add a description, which won't add anything other than being for your own reference. You'll also have options to either pick up your job from the factory or have it freighted to an address, which will enable you to select a location either from your saved addresses that can be found in your account settings under Address Book, or by searching for a new address, which can be saved to your address book or used as a one-time job location. In this example, we will go with the pickup option. You will also be able to upload files to your job by either dragging and dropping from your device or using the Browse Files option. This can be useful if you wish to attach documents or images as a reference for the order. Once this is all done, you can click on Create Job, and you are now given a unique job number. This is your reference for any communications related to the order. Now that our job has been created, you can start detailing the various products required for the job.